It's a bit of a nuisance when your key fob does not work. So let's see if we can sort the problem out. Let's move it back. Find the slot on the top edge, which is there. Put the flat-headed screwdriver into the slot and twist. You feel it coming apart, hold it there, that to one side, and there it is. You then take out, if you look inside, it's a bit, it hasn't been done for a while, this one, so we'll take that out. There, comes out. Right. If you look around then, because this is sealed again, there is one edge on one side with the slot in again, which is there. Put in, twist, but you've got to go around the edges for it to release. You release it there, there, and there. Slowly but surely it is coming apart. To one side. The battery is held in by two little clips on that side and it comes out that side. So therefore you hold it there, get the screwdriver in at the far end, if you can see it, and then just lift it out slowly and it should pop out eventually, if you can see it. No, just a bit of persuading to come out. Right, one old battery. One new battery. Again looking for, you've got the inner side and the big flat outside, which is giving you the actual number of it, which is upside down, which is CR2016 slimline battery. It's not gone quite in. There, move it in and it should push down and stays in position. The dust cover to go back on, then fits on like so. Line it all up first and then gently push together. Double check that you've sealed it all the way around. Get the fob backing in, it's back into position and pop it into place. The cover, which has got a clip on that edge, by holding that edge you then gently push it all the way around until it clicks. Double checking that it has completely sealed. Boom, Auris fob battery changed. Thank you very much for your time. Go on, beep. Back on. Job fixed.